Stop by and take a look at the 2021 Accord Hybrid. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 2-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, braking assist, ambient lighting, power brakes, regenerative braking system. Inside you'll find leather trim seats, driver attention alert system, airbags, front knee, wireless charging station, audio, internet radio, Pandora, audio radio, touchscreen display, electronic messaging assistance with read function, capless fuel filler system, audio, speed sensitive volume control, child safety locks.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda Certified program is worth looking into.